Welcome back to Gypsy Rose Papery. I have a special guest today.
Ooh.
So she's gonna take over my channel.
And we're going to do like a flip, and I'm here on vacation to do Disney for my anniversary. So I thought it was a good idea that we review and do a flip through and get my first impressions on this book. So I'm super excited.
Oh my.
And all right, what do you want me to open it?
Yes.
Okay.
Go. I'm gonna step up to the side.
You know what? You can tell me. You can explain while I'll ooh and ah.
Okay.
And this right here, this guy.
He's yelling at the
He's
witches.
so mad. It's like April said, it was like an ominous moon, and that's so true. Okay.
So this journal is like a vintage witch type journal, which you picked out. You wanted the vintage witch.
That's
theme.
true.
And so the cover is soft cover, and it's batting underneath, so it's nice and squishy. And I just did embroidery all around.
Okay, let's take a look. It's so pretty, and you distressed here too. I can see.
And I sewed through the this was like a plate. And I sewed through
That's
into the.
that's really cool.
And
This
there's a
tag
little
here.
spot
The witch's skull and crossbones were buried good and proper. Okay, when you do this, are you taking different pieces from
making
everywhere?
a story.
That's really cool.
Well, it's Tim Holtz stickers, and then I made a story.
She had dreaded to speak at the memory. She could repress a shiver. This is so cool. These are, I love the witches and the Tim Holtz.
Oh my god, they're my favorite. They're my total favorite.
This fabric you got at Joe's, right?
Yes.
Okay. Should I open? All right, here we go.
So I'll let you open it.
You sure you don't want to get hands in here?
Sure. If you want me to.
All right, let's get your hands in here. Oh, this is pretty. I love this stamp. You have the best stamps.
I kind of collect.
Wait, I have to.
stamps.
Ah, it smells like Dolly's books.
What does that mean?
It smells so good. You have a very distinct smell to all your books.
Oh.
If you guys don't know, I'm Dolly's #1 fan. We fought this morning at breakfast who Dolly's #1 fan
my
is.
husband and Jen are
Right.
my #1 fan.
So I have a few of Dolly's books, and they all have this amazing smell. It's like a signature smell. I love the stamp.
I know, me too.
And I meant to ask you the other day how, because my books still smell the same after so many years, or not so many years, but so long having it. It still has the same smell as when I got it.
My secret?
Oh, are we going to disclose that on YouTube?
Secret? I don't know.
This is really cool. Okay, explain.
So this is an altered paper clip.
Uh-huh.
And I've seen, I think it's Paula Lemon who I've seen do them, but I don't think she has a tutorial. I kind of just copied what I thought she did.
Oh, it's so pretty.
I took fabric on both sides, and then I put batting in there. I sewed around it, and I just put a little picture.
Yeah,
squishy.
Yeah, that's really cool, Dolly. I love this trim. It's so pretty. It's the best. I love it.
It makes everything instant Halloween.
In the dark and haunted room. What was your overall theme for this journal? It was going based upon the fabric, right?
Right. Well, the fabric was kind of like vintage witchy to me, so I kind of went with that. And then I had all the Tim Holtz stuff that I got this year, and he has a lot of that like vintage witchy type stuff.
Yeah, you can never go wrong with a vintage witchy.
Yes.
This is really pretty.
I don't know if you saw on IG, that's the paper I dyed like 3 times because didn't have the effect, and I finally got like layering after layering.
It's so cool. You can definitely see.
Thank you.
Go ahead. Keep flip.
No, you go ahead. It's your book.
Oh, I love her. Look at her. Oh, that is sweet. It kind of looks like Margaret Hamilton.
It's like an little altered bag.
Oh, this is so sweet. You have the best imagery. Where do you get your imagery from? This turned into a Q&A.
I go into Pinterest and I look up copyright-free images.
It's so cool.
So I made little potion bottles.
And then you fussy cut this, right? Or it came this way?
Yeah, I fussy cut it, and then this is a sticker, and then I just put wording.
It's so cool. It doesn't even look like a sticker. Like it's that flawless, people. It's that flawless. Side note, now that I am here at Dolly's place, if you have ever imagined Dolly's craft room to be this wonderful paradise oasis of a craft room, you're absolutely right. It's stunning. It's beautiful.
Thank you.
It's everything that I thought it was. That's what I'm trying to say.
It lived up to all.
Yeah, it sure did. This is pretty.
That's Tim Holtz paper.
Timmy.
He has the best paper.
Yeah, I love Timmy. This is really nice too.
And that's an altered tag.
Another sticker, right?
Mm-hmm.
Love it.
And that's a pocket page. So
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's open. The Witch's Dance. That's so cool. Where'd you get this from?
That is from an ephemera kit. I bought it at Michael's.
Yeah. Yeah. So nice. This is the... Is this dyed?
Yeah, it's coffee.
That's so cool. How did you do this?
It just happened. I think with the ones on the bottom, for some reason, react with the metal on the pan, and they have like weird sort of.
Take a look at that. That's so. It's really, really cool. I thought it was actual the print of the paper.
No,
it's really pretty.
It's
yeah. Oh, I love this. I'm gonna have so much fun writing in this.
Oh, I'm so happy.
If I like get to it, because I mean, I don't want to write in it, and I do, and it's just like. I don't know if do you feel that way ever?
Oh my god! Have you seen my collection?
Yeah, is that just like the common struggle that you know?
I think that's a common struggle amongst everybody. That's
so pretty.
And whenever I see anything wicked, I have to put it in your journal.
I love it. I love it. Oh, look at that. This is wicked. My dear. Oh, look at this team right here. I love them all. So
that was meant to be like a little art piece. So you can actually, you can use it as a journaling card, but it's actually really strong chipboard. So it's meant like a little for you to put somewhere. But he's inside there, a tuck spot. So he moves in and out.
He looks like he's dancing. So cool. I love this. Where'd you get this chipboard from?
I save like the back of notebooks and stuff. And then
that's a good idea. That's a really good idea.
I'll show you later my collection of
this is so cool. Her collaging is the best. You have amazing collaging stuff. And you have a bunch of tutorials on that.
Right? Watching some
yeah, that's why I want to do impressions, because it's really, really. I wish everyone can see the things like my face and impressions and all the stuff that I get. Dorothy liked anything spooky. Oh, that's so cute. I love these.
I know. I've seen that picture a lot.
So cool.
Them. They're like my favorite.
This is stamping, right? I need to get some like wording like that. That's just, I think that's like a staple pretty much, right? To have a stamp like this.
Like a nice, like a script stamp.
Yeah.
And it should be, well, for me, I usually get the ones that are the cling ones, because then you can move them around your page however.
And you can see.
And I did some spraying too on the page.
That's so cool. I love the it kind of like glistens a little bit. I don't know if you can see that caption. Okay, what exactly is a glimmer mist?
I'll show you 1 second.
I'm telling you guys, I'm still very beginner stages, so I hear a lot of the glimmer mist, but I don't know what it is.
It's a spray. And the mica's at the bottom, so you have to shake it really well.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
And when you spray it, it sprays metallic.
Tattered Angels. Yep. I see that. I see that like mentioned a whole bunch. This is really cool. So this you just spray and it creates this.
Yeah.
That's really, really nice. Oh, okay. Pull it out.
It's just a little journaling spot, but I collaged the front of it.
I love these seals that we got this year. Unless it's like an every year thing, but
I've never seen them before. I think
so that's this year, right? A much misunderstood gentleman. That's so cute.
As he's shaking his poison.
Blood. I love it. I love it. Very cool. I love this moon paper.
That's from, I think that's from the Haunted Manor or something.
And for the paper pack.
Yeah. That's just a little bookmark I put there.
This is nice. You know what I've seen too, that's one, I can't say getting popular because it probably was something that's been going around for a while, but the dailies.
Oh,
That's
okay,
something that's
yeah.
easier to journal in because it's an actual daily thing.
Yeah.
You know, I'm kind of loving the idea, and that kind of reminded me of that because you have like a date there.
Oh, yeah.
It's cool.
Yeah, I've seen a lot of new, like, planner type
Right.
digitals.
Yeah.
Like Calico Collages came out with one that's really cool.
This is a sweet stamp.
Graphic 45.
Mm.
I'm going to show you all of the Halloween stamps later.
Oh my god, you guys, she's so... Her stamp collection is legit. Legit. This is so pretty. So it's like with the tea and also the Tattered Angels.
Yeah, I sprayed a little bit.
Beautiful. So cool. This is Double Toil and Trouble.
There's a call.
I love it. It's nice that you keep writing space too.
Right. I know
yeah.
you. So I'm like, I need to,
Yeah.
I can't like decorate everything.
And I
'cause
love
know she likes
this.
to write.
It's cool. Ooh, oh my god, we're at the middle. I feel like I've been flipping for a while. There's so much to see. I love
Just a little
these.
room. It can remove the room charm if you would like. If it gets in your way, use it for a necklace.
I love this. It's cool. You bewitched me. This is really sweet. Where'd you get this from?
That's Tim Holtz, the Halloween stack, the new one.
That's nice.
Did you get
Gathering.
one of those this year?
Me.
It was like the 8
The small
by 8.
one, right?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. I mean, I haven't really been able to work much with it, but yeah, that's really, really pretty.
Yeah,
I love these bottles. These are really, really, really cool. Poison for Love and Death. The Witch's Ball. I love these vintage.
Me too. I had so
never
much
go
fun
wrong.
finding them.
Yeah.
It's like half the fun is finding all the images.
Aw, so sweet. This black cat, so sweet. I'm gonna miss seeing all these Halloween journals. I am not ready for Christmas journals at all. I want to just keep making these.
Well, I think I will.
Yeah. I love her stockings. This is so fun, Dolly. It's beautiful. This is really cool.
Yeah, I love the way that paper stained. It picked up the coffee so good.
I
Little
love
sexy
these.
witch.
Little sexy witch. And it's funny because when I was making the journals for April's challenge, there were so many witch like advertisements for hosiery. I think that was
really?
Ipwitch or something like that. They really did use a lot of witch imagery back in the day. I find that kind of interesting, actually.
know.
Like, these aren't like fake advertisements. Like, those are real, the real deal.
I love that picture.
Yeah,
It's
it's
one of my
really,
favorite.
yeah. There's one that I really like too with the gypsy girl that has like the things on her ears.
Yeah,
you know,
yeah. I know which
they're
one
like the
you're
really
saying.
big ones that have like all the beads and stuff.
Uh-huh.
That one I like too. I guess you start to get to know all the witch imagery online. That's so funny. This is
And
cool.
all the gypsy stuff.
Yeah.
That's right up my alley.
Yeah. Something different. I love this. I love this padded, like little
Next time you have more
collage.
time, we can do them, make them together.
Yeah, this is really, really cool. It's a very different feel to
Yeah, like a
the
nice,
normal
different
stuff.
texture,
Yes,
yeah.
for sure. Very cool.
It's just a little bit of collaging there.
I love like the negative stamp. It's really fun. See, like this is really, really. Ooh, this is really. Oh my god, this is really cool. And I love how like things just happen, right? It just like either it's accidental or it just happens. But this is beautiful, beautiful staining.
And I have to say that Terri sends me a coffee paper too, and I think this might be one of hers that I re-dyed.
Oh, right, right. I think you did say that.
Me.
Yeah, and I think you did say that in your tutorial that you get the coffee staining and then you just like redo it. Beautiful.
Just to add like different layers.
Yeah. It's belly band, pretty. I love these. These are so cool. So
I think those were Bow Bunny.
Yeah, very cool. I've come to like when I start journaling in my book, like things like this, like I'll either write if it's like a recipe or like a feeling that I had. That's like something really cool to just jot down something.
Yeah, I like stuff like that, like ephemera, because then you can like once you write on it, you can put it in a different part of the book or maybe in another book.
That's true. Yeah, that's true. And that's why I like your style too, because a lot of things you can switch around is not completely affixed.
Yeah. I always try to keep like things mobile in the book. That's so funny.
This is the Mystic Witches.
Right? It's so funny.
For those who are watching who know who the Mystic Witches are, that's us. You'll know who you are. So nice. Oh my god, this is so cute. Oh, I like how... Okay, I like what's going on here because this is like a double tuck spot, but made with paper.
It's a little bag. Like a little paper bag, yeah,
that's really, really cool.
Those are, and I should say that a lot of the stuff in here that is not digital is from Laura's shop.
The Paper Soul.
So those are bags from her shop.
We'll link her down below.
Miss Laura. It's
so
sweet.
Cool. I love this image though. It's so sweet.
She's so cute.
It's something about old witches. Like I love the young ones and stuff, but there's something like so sweet about like a really old witch.
Yeah.
Aww.
Adorable.
I love the way this paper feels.
I think the coffee adds like a different texture to them too.
Yeah.
I know you like witch shoes. So I have to put the witch shoe in there.
I have this this stamp collection, but it's cool that like you use them together. I always like stamp. I have to get into the habit of using like stamps how you have your one video. She'll link it down below. But like the stamp collaging.
Well, you know, a really good way to start that is just like, you know, when you have scrap paper and you're like going to throw it out, just play with your stamps and stamp them all over, and then you start to see different combinations.
Stamping like that, collaging with stamps and decoupage. I gotta start doing a lot because you get all these stamps, and I mean, what good is just doing a one stamp thing when you could do so much? Oh, yay! This was so nice.
You like it?
Yes, yay. I love it.
I'm so happy.
I love it. Oh.
So yeah, guys. First, what is it? This is the takeover. Is that what we're calling it?
Yay. Jen, Lipstick Legion Craft takes over Gypsy Rose Papery.
Link her down below.
We're going to walk around and probably, if we have time before I go catch the plane, go thrift shopping, because apparently Dolly has the most amazing thrift shops in her area. So.
I'm not gonna lie, I do.
And yeah, we're gonna continue spending time before I leave.
Yay! All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.
Bye.